Hello gamers! If you're watching this video, you might be facing the dreaded Xbox 360 Slim blinking red light issue. The speed of the fan is also high. Recheck it. Don't worry, in this video we'll walk you through the common causes and solutions to get your console back up and running. The blinking red light on your Xbox 360 Slim can be caused by a variety of issues. One common culprit is overheating. Make sure your console has proper ventilation and, if needed, clean out any dust from the vents. Overheating can lead to hardware failure, but addressing this early can make a big difference. The blinking lights might be trying to tell you something specific. Refer to the Xbox 360 Slim error code documentation to decode the pattern. This can give you valuable information about the nature of the problem. The Xbox 360 Slim has built-in temperature sensors, and if it detects that the console is getting too hot, it will shut down and display a red light. The red light could be due to a hardware component failure. This might include issues with the motherboard, GPU, graphics processing unit, CPU, central processing unit, or other critical components. Unfortunately, diagnosing and fixing hardware issues often require professional repair. As we progress with opening the console, it becomes crucial to remove the motherboard carefully. Make sure that no damage is caused to the system. Remove the DVD-ROM drive. Take out everything else. Keep in mind that attempting to open the console and perform repairs yourself can void the warranty and may cause further damage. If the warranty has expired, consider seeking help from a professional repair service if you're not comfortable troubleshooting and fixing hardware issues on your own. I have disconnected all the cables that were connected. It's time to remove the motherboard from its enclosure. I am identifying the error code on this Xbox 360 Slim by pressing the eject and sync buttons. One and 2. The error code indicates that the device is experiencing overheating issues. To determine the issue, we will verify it based on its error code. As the data coupling resistors for the temperature sensor are located under the fan and heatsink, we need to remove the heatsink as well. If you have experience with hardware, you might have encountered coupling resistance value deterioration. In some cases, addressing this issue can resolve the blinking red light error. Great news! By addressing temperature-related concerns and fixing coupling resistance value deterioration, you can successfully resolve the Xbox 360 Slim blinking red light issue. There is an abundance of soil. The resistances are located underneath this tape. Let's find out the values that need to be precisely 0.3 ohms. All 4 of them are in 2 pairs. No. 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 And yes. Their values are not correct, all 3 of them. Let's try to reflow them. I just need to resolder them with a soldering iron, as you can see. Following this process can help in restoring their core values. Let's check them again. Imperfect, but still satisfactory in some way. The issue remains unchanged. This issue has been slightly improved. In addition, we can verify this line of resistors as well. There are many resistances with values that are unclear and difficult to determine. Let's try to reflow all of them too. Double checking is crucial. This resistance recovered value up to 50 ohms. This resistance needs to be altered. I got the alternating resistance from a donor motherboard. I have removed the resistor with the incorrect value, and now I am putting back the correct resistance. I hope the issue has been resolved now. All the issues with the red lights have been resolved. To check the display, let's insert the HDMI cable. Yes, it has successfully booted up as well. It appears that the boot logo is stuck and not moving from its position. Let's give it another try and run it again. The fan is now running at its regular speed. The modifying chip is glitching as well. It's taking longer than usual. Ooh, thank you. The boot logo is stuck again and not progressing. This typically means that there are bad sectors in the NAND chip. For this, we have to create a donor NAND from the information obtained from Zell and install it in the NOR chip, which will also solve this problem. Thanks for watching. We hope this video helped you get your Xbox 360 Slim back in action. If you have any questions, or if there's a specific issue you'd like us to cover, feel free to leave a comment. Happy gaming!